This is how you add a new lettings applicant. We are in the lettings section, so you can see the workflow for lettings across the screen. The Add New Applicant icon can be found on the left-hand side of the screen as well as at the top on the menu bar. But for this example, we will use the icon in the workflow section. Double-click to select. This opens the lettings screen. The lettings record card can be seen to the left-hand side of the screen, identified by a character in the lower left. First, we input the individual's title, first name, and surname. Now move down to the postcode section and input the postcode you wish to find. The postcode finder will then request the user to select Find. The address for the postcode will appear below. Once the correct address has been selected, this will automatically populate the address details in the lettings screen. Then move to the right-hand side of the screen and add in as many contact details as are available for the applicant, such as home numbers, mobile, and email addresses. Select the source of the inquiry from the drop-down list. If you choose, you could simply input the first letter of the type of inquiry to quickly locate the correct source alphabetically. The system will automatically register the user you are logged in as. The system will also automatically register the date of the applicant you have processed. The record of the registration will also be available in the History section for this applicant, located at the upper left-hand side of the screen. Office notes can then be added on the lower left-hand side of the screen for additional information you may need to recall. The Contact Notes section towards the right needs to be updated by selecting the Add Note icon at the upper right of the screen. Once a note has been added in, it cannot be removed from the history for audit purposes. Now we need to find out what type of property the applicant is looking to rent. Move over to the Property features in the Lettings record card. Then add in all the appropriate information for the applicant, such as the type of property, the style, and details of the room and exterior features they require. The quoted price range from the applicant also needs to be added. Specific features can also be added in, such as furnished or unfurnished, and then the tenure duration from long to short let. With this information, you can now find a property matching these parameters in the applicant's desired location by selecting the Areas field. The drop-down will appear with a full range of towns and cities. In this example of York, you can choose a more specific area of the location which the applicant may have specified. Finally, move up to the upper right-hand side of the screen to choose the Save and Close icon. This completes the application for this client and confirms registration.